Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Thina Singozungu. Now remember guys, last week's episode ended with Uzama. Zama was ready last week guys to go and consult with Thina's parents by someone, or bebeyo consult umthandazi or something like that pertaining Usmanga's situation. So when they were about to leave, Umagathi now asked Uzama ukuthi, did you consult Uthina? Does he know which we're going to see someone? And Zama says no. So then she decides to call Uthina because the mother's like, I'm not comfortable going with ingani yomuntu, whereas we have not spoken to him. And then they end up deciding ukuthi fine, they're going to meet back at their house. Manje on their way back to the house, ugogo sekayakhala, you guys. Ugogo uyakhala. Uvukele umoya. Ugogo, she's crying there, and she's crying not non-stop. Uzama sabathi uyamlokhuza uzama umthulisa, hayi ugogo akathuliseki. She's crying, and ugogo ends up saying ukuthi there's something terrible that is coming. Something terrible that is coming. And then Uzama says gogo, like, calm down, asikhuleke. Then they pray for a few seconds, then they leave. Fine, when they get to the house before Uthina. They get to the house, Uthina angeneke, umangene ukuthi how, what's going on? Vele, if you get a visit from your parents saying ukuthi there's a meeting, you know ukuthi they would not just do it out of the blue. Hi. Uzama achaze ukuthi no phela, we were actually taking Usmanga to someone to go and consult pertaining these dreams that he has. But in the Uzama, when she's explaining this thing, she's not putting herself in. Remember guys, Uzama was ready and prepared to take the child to go and consult without Uthina knowing nothing. All right? And I'm just like, now when she's explaining it, she's like excluding herself out of it. So Uthina is asking Uthi, okay, if you guys need to niyobona umuntu onjani. So Uzama's like, no, bengicela ukuthi ugogo ayichaze. Ugogo says ukuthi no, thina besiyobona umthandazi, not isangoma, umthandazi, who's going to be able to see inkinga kaSmanga and helps us. Now Uthina, guys, he doesn't take this lightly because he feels like his parents know where he stands pertaining this, and he says that no, I am the head of this house, I am the father of this house, and I'm gonna be I believe that there's nothing we won't be able to conquer without prayer. Thina goes on to say ukuthi nawe ke Thina, when you were young, besivula khona le umthandazi, when you were young, we used to do all of those things. We used to go to traditional healers, and that's the reason why you even went to school. Mina bengaboni ukuthi uyosingena isikolo. Kusho ukuthi she's trying to say ukuthi now when he was young, he also gave them problems. But the difference is, guys, Uthina at that point, he was young, he didn't have a choice because he was living underneath his parents' care. Now that he's not underneath his parents' care, he has a choice to the belief that he has. So the mother is kind of saying ukuthi if wena namhlanje you are well and fine and you successful and you went through those things, what makes you think ukuthi Usmanga doesn't need to go through those things? But anyway, Uthina says ukuthi the only thing now I'm willing to do is to pray. I believe in prayer, so we can call ingane sithandazeni sonke. That's the only thing I'm willing to do, because if siyawuvula lo mnyango sithi siyaqala uconsulta, wena gogo nobaba nomkhulu, if anything would have to happen to you guys, who's going to kapha lezi ngane to go and consult? Because we wouldn't be doing it, they won't be doing it underneath my care as abazali. Now guys, I do want to kind of judge Uzama to a certain extent, but I'm not going to do that because I understand this is a sensitive issue, because this is her child we're talking about. And when she saw ugogo, like, you know, being crying like that, she was worried, what if something's going to happen to a child? And maybe that's why she panicked and decided to do something that she clearly says she does not believe in. fine. Ugogo ends up understanding, and she's like, no, it's fine. If you guys say utasithandazeni, it's okay. Bizani ingane sithandazeni. And they call the children. They call the children kuyacula laphayana, ugogo uyakhala laphayana. U-Onwethu in her diary session, guys, she says ukuthi ay mina ngiyaqhakeka because thina hlezi simtshela uSimanga to stop playing with dolls akezwa. Ngenxa kanodoli nje. Like already sesilana ugogo unedrama nkosi yami. I was laughing and I'm like, you know what? Some people are saying ugogo unedrama and I get that, guys, but I would rather have a person on a drama than umuntu that underplays certain things. Because if ugogo feels like her grandchild's life is in danger, I would rather her act like this than people say une drama than the child going through a situation where the child, God forbid, something happens to him, and whereas she was just, downplaying the whole situation. So I always believe you'd rather be safe than sorry. You'd rather be in a situation where you pray over something than ukuthi uyimukele phansi, and then into seyifikile lana, it's too late to prevent it. So I don't expect u-Onwethu to understand those things. I don't expect other people to understand those things, and that's why they feel like maybe ugogo unehaba, unedrama, but I don't think so, you guys. So anyway, bayathandaza laphayana. Shame uSimanga, you can see, doesn't understand what's going on. Ugogo, like Gogo squeezing him, pulling him around. I was just like, shame uSimanga. But guys, on next week's snippets, on the snippets for next week's episode, we see that Uzama does take uSimanga to go and see like a professional, and the professional, I don't know if she's a social worker, a psychiatrist or psychologist or whatever, but she does say that uSimanga was affected. So this thing, it is actually a serious thing. It's not, just because he plays Nabonotoli or something like that. Last scene of the episode, we see Uzama, she invites Umashenge. Umashenge is Umapostoli, Ustriker's wife. She invites Umashenge to a boat cruise. Umashenge afike with her spiritual daughters. She gets there with her daughters, and listen, Uzama is late. She is late, guys. Eventually, Uzama, I guess she does comes with her friends as well. But before Uzama comes, so Umashenge, when she gets there, she decides to call Uzama to check up on her, to say how girl was host Alana and you are not here. She called Uzama's phone goes straight to voicemail. So she's like, hey, I think phone elumienwa because vel Uzama, she called my husband. So let me do the same thing to her and let me feel what it feels like. I'm just like, Ayumashenge Kazune drama, and unnecessarily. If she says those are her spiritual daughters, why would she make a comment like that in front of her spiritual daughters? Does she want her spiritual daughters to have the same perception that she has about Uzama? I just felt like that comment was so unnecessary. Fine, when Uzama comes, Umashenge, with her being spicy unnecessarily, she mentions that thing again. Oh, she says, hey, Pela, I called you a husband when I couldn't get a hold of you so that I can or so that I can feel as well what it's like to be calling other people's husbands. And then that time she says, so Uzama has a problem. She's like, no, but why are you calling my husband Wutina? Because I never call you a husband. So, she like to say it's kind of disrespectful. But Umashenge, when she explained it, she says, Mina, when I was introduced to you guys as Uzama Benotina, not as pastors or whatever the case may be. But I was just like, I just feel like, guys, maybe you guys can explain it to me. What is the thing about husband? Like, is it inappropriate to be calling someone else's husband whereas you have their numbers? I don't know. Like, I'm just not getting it, you guys. Or maybe it's, I don't know, but clearly it's something they understand because they got it when they were talking about it. And then while they're talking about that, the issue of friendship comes up because one of Uzama's friends, ask uMasham ukuthi, are you really open to making friends? Because mina mhlambe, I've met you and I've been in the same place with you over 10 times, but you don't know my name. We have never spoken. So ke uMashele ayichaza ukuthi like Zama never introduced me to you, so I didn't want to papela you and vele ngishayi and whatnot. Uzama in her diary session she says ukuthi hayi uGeli vele unakho uphakama. But I liked what Uzama said. Uzama said, we are not friends, but we are normally in the same type of events because of sihlobene ngezinto zesonto, and that doesn't mean we should be friends. I like that, you guys, because that doesn't mean just because we are always going to the same events and doing the same things, then it means what you qualify to be one another's friends. Like, it's okay for us to go to the same events, socialize, sihleka, take pictures, and leave it at that. It's not a must to be friends with that person. I appreciate people abafana noZama more than people abazovele bawenza bangani or act as if ningabangani, whereas they think differently. You can see clearly Uzama doesn't want a friendship no Mashenge, and she is not trying to give the vibes of a friendship, but she does act, friendly towards her. And I appreciate at that point she didn't lie and say no singabangani and whatnot. Like, I feel like we need more people like that, because not everyone is supposed to be your friend, you guys. But anyway, uMashenge, it seems like she is kind of offended by that, because she says that she has tried to be Uzama's friend on many occasions. Fine. After that awkwardness, Uzama, being the host, she decides to make the environment a bit lighter. She speaks about the previous episode's experience where she went to go and buy amalingerie. Uyazi, once women talk about amalingerie, people get excited, and the environment did kind of change, you guys. And that's how the episode ends. It ends on a cute, sweet note. Anyway, guys, let's park a drip there, because that is the recap of the latest episode. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.